Money is something that we all like and we all want. Money is something that brings food on our table and you need money to pay your bills. If you notice or study rich people or successful people, you will notice that their wealth did not solely come from one single source of income. I'm a big promoter and a believer in having dual or multiple sources of income. At this day and age, the concept of having one source of income or having your one job, which is the only source of income for you, is very risky. You need to have a side income. It could be anything. If you're a full-time employee or if you're a full-time student, you should try and build something on the side which will give you some extra form of cash flow. Today's video is exactly about that. I'm going to be telling you 8 different ways that you can make some extra income on the side. Point number 1, run a small business. Point to be noted, this is a small business that I'm talking about and not a large business. If you're a full-time worker or a full-time college student, you're looking to run this business probably in the evenings or on the weekends. So it could be like a small cafe or a restaurant that you run only on the weekends or on the evenings. Another example would be cloud kitchens. These kitchens are not for dine-in purposes. People don't come and sit and eat at these kitchens. These are only for delivery. So you only need a small space, build a kitchen setup, which by the way, you get it on rent as well these days. List yourself on Swiggy or Zomato and off you go. You can start selling. Another example would be if you're in college, you could get into event management or something as simple as doing assignment for others. These are simple ideas that are not really large business ideas but can make you consistent income on the side. Tip number 2, web development. If you know how to make a website, you can make money with that skill. Not necessary that you're able to make a really top-notch interactive website. Even if you know how to make a basic website, I can guarantee you that you'll find some clients. In today's time, there are many freelancing websites like Odesk or Fiverr where you can create your profile and you're available for work for the entire world. You just create a profile for yourself and you look for clients. Another example that I can give you is in India, hotels, restaurants, spas, salons, all these businesses need a basic website. Majority of these businesses or business owners don't really know how to build one. So you approach these people and say you charge 1,000 rupees per website. If you get 20 or 30 businesses on board, that's an extra 20 or 30,000 there for you. Coming to tip number 3, and that's graphic design. This is the age of content. Today's generation spends more time on YouTube rather than watching TV. I believe content is going to be the future. It is going to stay relevant for the next 30 or 40 years. And graphic design is something that all content creators need. They need someone to create thumbnails, images, posters, design, someone to create Instagram stories, Instagram posts. You need good graphic designers for all these things. This is that one skill or one job that is going to be in demand and will make you that extra income in the future. Point number 4, app development. We have apps for everything today. There are apps that remind you to drink water as well, something as basic as that. So this is a great time to be an app developer. If you're really good at app development, you can build apps for other people or other businesses. Or you can build an app for yourself directly for the consumers. So for example, an app that sends everyone a joke every day or sends everyone a motivational message every day. Memes are always trending and everybody loves memes. So an app that could send memes out every day. Something just basic and not very complex. Then you list it on the App Store or the Play Store and you list it for a very small price of say 10 rupees. Google and Apple will keep 30% of it and you'll get the remaining 7 rupees. If you get say for example 1000 downloads a month, you'll end up making 7000 rupees. And this 7000 will keep coming every month if you have a paid subscription. So you see, app development can be a good option to make some extra income. Moving on to point number 5, which is create a course. You can create an online course about anything that you know. And these courses could be about anything. If you have knowledge or skill about a certain subject, you can create a course on that. It could be related to fitness or dance or coding, it doesn't matter. Any skill that you possess can be used to make some extra cash. The current world has gotten used to Zoom meetings and webinars. So you can create a course and use the internet to make money off it. I know of people personally who have created great content and great courses for fitness and bodybuilding, especially during the pandemic, and they're doing quite well. So creating a course is one genuine way of building a solid side income. Point number 6 is video editing. Everywhere on the internet, there are people like me. What I mean is there are content creators everywhere. Regardless of the platform, it could be YouTube or Instagram or any other platform. Video content creators are everywhere, and that is one sector which is going to boom and grow exponentially in the next decade. What do video content creators need? They need editors. They need good video editors to edit their video, make the video appealing, add transitions, add graphics, etc. Video editing is a skill that you can learn quickly. There are many video editing courses available online, and once you get a hang of it, it can become a source of income for you. Point number 7 is content writing. Today's world needs more writers. I feel that there's a severe lack of good writers, and content writers are the need of the hour. If you're someone who can write well, there are many opportunities that will open up for you. You can become a freelance writer. You can write content for other businesses, other companies. If you're into long form content, you can write articles. You can also create your own blog post. You can write reviews, you can write short stories. The opportunities are in abundance. It could be about anything. As long as you can articulate and write well, you will make money. Which brings me to my last tip and my favorite tip: become a content creator. This is my favorite one, and for obvious reasons, because I love creating content for you guys on YouTube. Content creation and content creators are going to be around for a long time. I believe even after a few decades, say if artificial intelligence takes over, people end up losing their jobs, content creators will still be creating content on some platform. If you have knowledge about something or you can entertain the audience, you should pursue content creation. If you're passionate about video and facing the camera, then YouTube is a good way to start. If you don't want to face the camera, you can even write posts or stories on Instagram and create content. Even though content creation looks really fancy and sounds very easy, but let me tell you that it is one of the hardest way to earn your money. You need a lot of consistent hard work and patience to reach a level where you start getting paid. I myself haven't reached a level where I get paid handsomely, but I am persistent and I look at my YouTube channel as a business that I run. So definitely content creation is a great opportunity for people to start making extra income. Well, in summary, these were the 8 different ways that I feel you can make some extra income or passive income on the side. You can be a student or a full-time worker, but I feel that you can use any of these 8 ways to create that extra income for yourself. If you know of some other way that you've made money, or if you feel that I've missed out on something, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for your time. If you found this video valuable, make sure that you hit that like button so that YouTube shows this video to more and more people. I'll see you all next Saturday at 9 p.m. with another video. Until then, it's the Bombay Boy signing off. If you're someone who's interested in business, finance, entrepreneurship, soft skills, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You'll not be disappointed.